What's the matter with you? There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
Falling in quickly. Tell me you feel something too. Caught in the moment. I'm lost here without you. Tangled up in your web. Holding on to every word you said. I'm ready, you know. I'm open to show. Would you say the same? We're falling from outer space. We're moving like a full-paced supernova. We're making all the headlines now. And I just wanna seize the moment. 'Cause we won't ever slow it down. Kissing in the rain.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. See the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Lost in a sea of stars in my head. Two worlds apart, but I kept wishing on something worth trying, hoping you'd find this worth your time. Who knew that we'd fallen faster than the speed of light? I'm closing my eyes, bracing myself, and starting to feel like somebody else. And I'm not afraid of drowning. I'm so happy you found me. Pull me under, feel the thunder. Pull me under, pull me underneath the covers. I'm so happy you found me. Pull me under, feel the thunder. Pull me under, pull me underneath the covers. I'm so happy you found me. Feels like we're breaking through the ceiling. upside down.